Welcome to Krabi province, Thailand. So we sailed from Malaysia, we've arrived and decided to check in at Krabi province this time and have now anchored outside Hanson Beach, where we realized that tourism is booming. So when tourism is booming, we want to know why, because we want to see what's out there, and whatever we find we want to share with you. So join us as we show you the top beaches in this area. So let's start with Hanson Beach itself. Probably the biggest beach in the area, and also one that's accessible by road, which means that lots of accommodation, lots of pubs, lots of restaurants, and we'll go ashore a little bit later and show you what it looks like over there, and also take a visit at night to give you a glimpse of what the nightlife can be like at Hanson Beach. Because it's the beach accessible by road, all the boats are leaving from this area, so they're taking all the tourists to the various beaches and the various sites around here, and it's what we're going to do as well and show you what it's about. So join us, let's go. Now, you don't have to be a sailor to enjoy this part of the world. We just happen to be very fortunate to be able to sail into here, and if you're a sailor, the first thing you want to know is it quiet?
Well, no, it's not. The beach, however, is clean and well maintained. Although you can expect a bit of boat traffic early morning and late afternoon, you can still find a nice, quiet and shady spot during the day. You'll also be spoiled for choice for having a drink, getting something to eat, souvenir shopping, getting a tattoo, or renting a kayak. And then there's the nightlife. So we still have some amazing beaches to come, and if you want to do something really amazing, just have a look down below and right now hit that like button. That would be amazing.
We are walking from Hanson Beach and we're going to the next beach, which can only be accessed by either Longtail or the Monkey Trail. We're going to choose the Monkey Trail.
Less boat traffic in this area, only boats bringing in guests to the resort. Also, if you like, kayaks are available for rent.
Behind the rock, we have 2 beaches.
Behind this rock there's 3 more beaches.
Yeah, behind the rock. We have to go like this and go to the left side.
Okay.
And the first beach we call Tonsai Beach.
Tonsai?
The
Okay.
second is Railay.
Railay.
The last
Okay.
is Railay.
Look, I can see my ears through the leaves of the trees.
She's like, where are you guys? Why did you leave me? Good morning. This morning we're going around the corner here to anchor at Hanson Beach. and then we're going to visit Phra Nang Cave as well, or Princess Cave. Now it does have the potential to be a bit of a busy spot, so we're leaving early in the morning so we can try and do it while it's still nice and quiet, and really looking forward to this. We haven't seen this before, so you get to see it with us, so let's go. Nixie's on the helm. I'm just doing nothing actually.
To be honest, this bay is simply stunning, but do yourself a favor, take a few hours, hire a kayak and explore. But for now, bonus beach. Our bonus beach is called East Railay and is accessible by longtail or a trek through the jungle. Now, visiting this beach was not in our original plan, and we have to say we were a little bit surprised about what we saw. Here you see many shops, markets, ATMs, unconventional ways of getting guests to resorts, and in general quite busy. The main focus, however, is rock climbing.
Alrighty, so now we're coming to the last two beaches in this area before we sail away this afternoon and go and visit another two. And what we have over here is Tonsai Beach on this side over here, and over here we have West Railay Beach. Now West Railay Beach is connected by foot to most of the beaches we've shown you already, so it's a very popular stop-off point. Yesterday during the day, at least 30 to 40 boats at any given time. It's 8 o'clock in the morning now. There's already 10 boats there, so you better get cracking.
Better get going.
Ready to go?
Ready to go.
Let's do this. All right, I think we're going through there.
Okay.
Let's try.
What?
Let's try.
Yeah.
I walked through the path and I didn't see any ribbons, and then all of a sudden Nicole sees pink ribbons, and now she's leading me through this, I don't know, desolate path, and I'm starting to get a bit worried. Did you find this? If you don't hear from me. Oops, there's another pink ribbon. I'm between West Railay Beach and Tonsai Beach, following Nicole up the mountain, and my stress levels are about up to 6 right now. Hope I see you again. I was thinking that Phra Nang was my favorite beach so far, but I might be changing my mind. Welcome to Tonsai Beach. Seven nautical miles away from Ao Nang is Klong Muang Beach, and that's where we're sailing to now. It should take us about 2 hours to get there, and it should be a relatively quiet beach, which is something we're looking forward to, and we get to show you that as well. For now though, I think I need to tack. And here we are, Klong Muang, and already we like this beach a lot. We've already seen a catamaran comes sailing past us, a Hobie. There's another Hobie on the beach. There is a windsurfer out there, and look how quiet this is. Yeah, we're gonna mark this for future visits, that's for sure. Right, let's go ashore. This one I have to read. This is Noppharat Thara Beach, and it forms part of the Hut Noppharat Thara Kopipi National Park. So earlier I said that maybe Ao Nang is the biggest beach in the area, but I think this is much bigger. Could be a bit quieter, but let's go ashore and have a look. Ready?
Ready.
Do it.
Sometimes it's just never simple. We want to go to the beach, but our outboard just doesn't want to stop.